Yo, what's up, guys? It is your boy Gaming Vlogs, back with another video, and I can play it. Last time I stopped recording because I keep on accidentally pressing that button, and I don't like it. It's very annoying. So I'm not playing Roblox this time. Playing Spirit. We've been helping people for over 20 years. Yeah, go sounds. I'm playing this one. Download this app. It's cool. Watch. It says stop screen 1. Okay. Dang, that's loud. That's loud. Okay. That's terrifying. Oh. Okay, enough of that one.
Mistakes.
Okay. Okay. Is this for the movie? It's for the movie, I think. Oh, okay. Oh. Wow.
Has asthma pushed
Wow.
you into a smaller life?
Wow, yeah.
Are your asthma treatments just not enough? Then see what could open up for you with Fasenra. It is not a steroid or inhaler. It is not a rescue medicine or for other eosinophilic conditions. It's an add-on injection for people 12 and up with asthma. Fasenra is designed to target and remove. It helps to prevent asthma attacks, improve breathing, and can reduce the need.
If you guys want to see the rest of these laughs, we gotta hit. If you guys want to see the rest of the laughs, 100 likes. If you want to see the rest of the laughs. And
ask an asthma specialist about Fasenra.
Yeah, this one's a wolf one. So let's try out these. There's only 9 of them. Oh. Wow, I was gonna say, like, hold that a wolf sound. Oh, okay. Well.
Always discreet. I'm Mariceli, and I am a real Premier Protein fan. The taste of Premier Protein helps me not feel deprived from sweets. I love it. With 30 grams of protein, 100.
Okay, guys. So I'm not in the video here because it's only been 5 minutes and 6 until I got into this video. So it's not nighttime right now. It's 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and it's only 6 minutes into this thing. Yeah. So I'm gonna play a different game. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm gonna play a different game. Let's play. Let's go to Play Store. Let's see. So look, I downloaded Roblox last night. See, yeah. And I made an account. Subway Surfers. I don't know what that one. Phone Masters. Nah, let's start. Oh, I got the good idea. I gotta go. Okay, guys, I got a good idea. I wanna go to YouTube. See, look. Oh, hold on now. This is my channel, Roblox. I play Roblox, but I ended the video early on accident. Guys, it's 7 minutes in. So yeah, I actually made both of these granny parts too. I'm not gonna show anybody else videos because that's copywriting. It's copyright. It's copyright. Let's see. Yeah, I do watch Dance Lake Lottery on PlayStation, Strawberry J Hills, my self gaming vlogs. As you know. No, I'm gonna actually do a mod on Kick the Buddy. Kick the Buddy, guys.
If you wanna download.
I can't show them. I can't show the video, guys. It's copyright. Okay. Make sure you guys give me some likes and subscribe because I'm not gonna get demonetized. I'm just gonna get copyright on my video. So
The hack version of Kick the Body to watch this full video without skipping. So let's get started.
yeah, guys.
First of all, go to the Google search box. Now type Happy Mod. Only Happy Mod. Search.